Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I will be doing this Pohela Boishakh makeup tutorial. So yeah, starting off I will be taking this Norvina volume 1 palette from Anastasiabeverlyhills and taking this dark brown color with a pencil brush and going to start mapping out my crease where I want very in-depth look on my eyes for a cut crease. So the next eyeshadow I will be taking is this red one with a pencil brush also, and going to apply this right over the dark brown color so everything looks really dark and very maroonish. I don't want too red. So I'm blending out with the blending brush and taking more red eyeshadow and putting it on the crease so the look doesn't loses its color. So blending it back and forth so it doesn't look harsh. So I'm taking some concealer with e.l.f. concealer brush and going to cut my crease with it. So yeah, as you can see, I open my eyes and then wherever the concealer hits, I just apply it over there. And I'm taking a winged liner brush and going to take the red eyeshadow and going to start drawing wing. As I do with the black liner, I'm just using this eyeshadow because it's so pigmented, I don't need anything else. So I'm taking this orange shimmery color from the palette and going to start applying this on the lid. And I'm applying this lashes from Blaq label and going to apply it on my eyes. And moving on to the face, I'm taking this Touch in Soul primer in No Problem. And I'm taking this Becca Cosmetics Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation and also YSL Foundation. Going to mix this both into a cocktail and going to apply this all over my face using this Real Techniques brush. And moving on to the contour, concealer as my contour, and using the Makeup Revolution concealer in C10 and going to apply both of this on my face. And as you can see, this is a very heavily contoured look. So yeah, I'm taking this In Stylish makeup sponge to blend out my contour. And blending out my concealer as well. And I'm taking this Mercier translucent powder to bake underneath my under eyes and my nose and on the jawline, and also taking this Physician Formula butter bronzer in deep, and taking this Note makeup blush in Desert Rose and applying this on the cheeks and a little bit on the forehead. And brushing away all the baking powder so my look looks really like matte and flawless. And taking this Avon True Glow Set, it's the stick highlighter, so I'm just going to apply it on the high points of the face, on the cheekbones, wherever I need like a strobing effect. And taking this Collab makeup also cream to powder highlighter in Space Cadet. It gives a luminous glow, I love it. And the next part will be lower lash transition shade. So yeah, I'm taking the winged liner brush and applying it on my under eyes. And yeah, the last step will be this Rosewood liquid lipstick from Sephora. So yeah, I'm applying my bindi for the last step, and yeah, this is the look. Hope you guys really enjoyed my Pohela Boishakh makeup tutorial. Leave a comment down below what did you think about this look, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and শুভ নববর্ষ সবাইকে।